Hello guys, orders from Flortte. There are 8 items I bought this time with all the discounts. Added all together, I actually paid just under £25 in total. £25, no, less than £25 for 8 items. Would you not be interested? Let's find out today. I had a couple of items from Flortte before. One is there. This is the liquid eyeshadow, but it's the glitter one. Like this, over here. The other one is lip liner, which is really, really good. It very much helps you to adjust your lip shape as a base before you apply lipstick. This one I really like. This one I used quite often already. Let me show you. It's a little bit dirty at the front, and that's the color. It's just like a nude color, and my color is 06. Because of the good experience, especially the lip pencil, that was very much intrigued to find out more about this brand. And then I bought 2 matte lip pencil, 2 lip pencil as well as a lip liner, and 2 lip gloss. In addition to that, I got a lovely blush, and the first time trying out actually their eyeshadow palette. It's a small one but very, very cute. That start from the eyeshadow palettes. And today's eye look, I use this palette. I have to say this time I was totally impressed by Flortte. The little eyeshadow quad, it comes with a little like a, it's not a key ring, but a little kind of decoration thing, which is very, very cute. And it's a smaller size than you expected, smaller size than normal quad eyeshadow palettes. When you open, oh no, before we open, let's see the surface. It is very, very cute. It's like a crisp candy paper, that type of feel. But it's plastic, good quality plastic. And this time, because the first time I'm trying their eyeshadow palette, so to be on the safe side, I chose a very common 4 colors, very much like a nude, earthy color. I really, really like them. First of all, for the quality itself, when you touch it, it is really, really creamy fine. And for the price itself, although the pigmentation is low, but the color itself created very well. The blending ability is absolutely great. It doesn't cause cakiness on your eyes. It's pretty much no-brainer. You don't need much techniques. There's no requirement on typical brushes, especially when you consider how much it actually costs you. You're just so impressed with what they actually produced in this palette for you. And for today's eye look, my nose shade, my eye look is created by this palette, as well as a little bit the blush color. So what I've done today is use the lightest color to clean the entire eyelid. Then I mixed these 2 colors. One is more towards gray and one is more towards brown. Now I mixed both of them to apply first in the front half of the eyelid and then extended further to the out corner. And then I used the lovely blush color to apply towards the out corner as well as the lower lash line. Then use the darkest color to wing out slightly. And for the nose contour, I mainly use the color which has a good amount of gray in there and give you a very natural shading. It doesn't look like odd or chocolatey or muddy or dirty. It just kind of melt everything into one. Overall, for this eyeshadow palette, I highly, highly recommend. I am absolutely giving a thumb up. For the powder quality, the performance itself, apart from the pigmentation, is probably lower than you expected. Considering the price, please considering the price. And the palette is also multifunctional. You can use this one palette to finish a natural eye look and your brows and your contour. So it is a absolutely yes The next one is the lovely blush. Let's have a look at the cover. It is a frosted plastic cover and have a very cute cartoon on there. It is very cute. And this blush, there are 3 shades in there. Let's have a look. Let me show you these swatches. The blush powder itself, it is creamier than the eyeshadow powder. So these are the 3 shades. And have a look, there are cute covering on there as well. Today for partially the eye look, I mixed these 2 colors. So I mixed these 2 colors to apply towards back of the eyes. And the blush today is all from this. The color itself, this is the main color, but if you use on its own, it's not as nice as you actually mix them together. When you have this more like grape berry blush color mixed with those 2, one is more towards like a nude color and the other one has a little bit like ash gray in there. When you mix them together, it gives you a beautiful, natural, healthy finish. Look, today's blush is all from this. And let me just mix them together. You see, this color is to mix 3 of them and give you a very beautiful neutral color. And the blush pigmentation, I have to say, the darker color, it is actually higher than the eyeshadows. So the blush, you want to be light-handed. There are fall-offs, but not too much, same as the eyeshadow palettes. There are, both of them, there are fallout. Oh, it kind of, you know, make your cheek kind of lifted. Oh, I really like this 2 combo to finish your whole face makeup pretty much. Oh, can you imagine that if you need to go for travel, just bring this 2 and then just choose any you prefer the lip color. Then talk about the lip product. Today my lip is mixed a few of them together. Well, I use them all individually. I do have my own thoughts. There are pros and cons according to my own preference. Please allow me to explain. Let me do these swatches together, therefore you guys can see the formulation difference as well. And I start from this 2. Very sleek, straightforward packaging itself. And at the bottom, you can actually tell the colors. This is the lip pencil. The formulation of the lip pencil, it is great. High pigment, silky, straight away cover your lip color, very lightweight as well. And this color I got is N10 called Morocco. And the other one I got, this one is N01 Los Angeles. Those are those 2. This one is this. Close enough, right? To the packaging. And the other one is this. Okay. And then I got 2 lip liner. And one is very... Ooh. Okay, one incident just happened. I was just about to actually mention that as well. It is a little bit too soft, so it is fairly easy to broken. So make sure you don't twist it out too much. Again, when you glide it on your lip, it's very high pigment. So these 2 are the lip pencil. This is more towards a cool tone berry red, and this is more nude. This is my preference. And then you compare with the lip pencil. Lip pencil has like a satin finish. It's not goes to completely matte, but the 2 lip pencil goes to matte completely. Very good pigmentation, both of them. But the lip gloss, the 2 I chose are fairly light. Packaging first. Those 2 are very hyper in China. This is more like a lavender background. And this has more, I think it's a flower. What type of a flower? And how you use it is you open the cap. It has like a heart shape. So how you use it is you click. But make sure you don't go crazy, yeah? It is very, very soft. It is literally like ice cream, that type of formulation. It's very much melts off as soon as you glide on your skin. And both of them are very low pigment. So this is 02. And this is slightly higher, more towards like this berry color. And this is 07. Look at the reflection. So today, let me zoom you in. What I've done is I used the my lip shading pencil to overdraw my lip shape a little bit over here and the bottom here. Then I used this lip liner color C03, which is more towards nude one, this one. That I applied on the entire lip, and there is a little brush at the back of it, which is very, very convenient. Oh, come on, focus. To smudge out the color a little bit, then topped up with this lip gloss, which is a 02, this nude one. And give you this finish. It is very candy, soft, very gentle feel. And let's talk about the colors. So Flortte, this brand, how I feel is, again, is more target younger generation. It is more energetic, very cutie, that type of design. And it's also reflected on its color design. So if you see those colors, like for my own preference, although this is my type of like a cold cool tone red, but I wouldn't choose something go for this too much rosy berry undertone. I would prefer this one have a little bit more red in there. This is way much more energy young color for my age or my style, let's put it that way. This two are not too bad. This one I was a little bit iffy about it, but when you actually apply like pumpkin color mixed with own lip red, it actually showing very, very nice color on your lip. But this one you won't be able to just wear it on its own for no makeup or makeup day. You will need to have a thought of clean makeup base in order to carry something like this. And for those two glossy colors, this is will be depending on your makeup. You need to have more matching colored makeup in order to make this color looks cute on you. But on the other hand, this nude one is much more suitable for multi skin tones and multi makeup styles, as it's less base color. So will be depending on what your own lip color is and what's your lipstick you want to choose. And this pretty much just have the function of glossy it up. Overall, personally feel the collection, the all lip product collection, from the qualities perspective, is way much better over their price line. So if you're interested to try out the Flortte, definitely a thumb up from my recommendations. You can just choose your preferred colors, but be careful when you go through the website. If you are similar ages like me, for example, when you see some colors that they're reflecting on the lip, you probably want to add 10% brightness on top of it. So for example, like this, it's very energetic outside, attacky energetic colors. If you want to be safer, then choose something more toned down, the more brown color as a base, more towards nude, but the quality is really good. Lastly, on the lip product, are they transferable? Yes, they are. For example, like this lip pencil, even been set here for a while, so you see, you still be able to just smudge out like this. All right, and the lip pencil, see, Lip gloss, obviously, it won't last long. So all of them, they do transfer, you do need to touch up. But for those more towards matte color, like the lip lines, for example, when you drink water, it's not too bad. But if you drank for a few times already, you may see a little bit of fade out in the area that where your lip touched the mark or the glass. So you just need a tiny touch up. I paid 187 RMB with all the discount. That's the total price I paid for the 8 items, and is equivalent to 23.3 pounds. Guys, seriously. Just over 20 quid for this 8 items, for the quality and the overall delivery. Another excellent brand we discovered, don't we? Flortte, check it out, totally worth it. And if you're interested in any other brand, you want me to test it out and do a review for you guys, please do leave your comments down below. I always read them all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you on my next video.